got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. 3 old thoughts, new guap, word that thing, bitches on my line, and you know they come straight.
So today you're gonna be learning about how to add like neon parts like these right here and make them bright, shine. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this in Blender. So like when rendering, it's gonna render that too. It'll look dope. So you're just gonna find a light, any light you want. For example, let's say this block. Why not? Right? You're gonna get this. You gotta center it, right? Original position. You go put it 0, comma 3, comma 0. All right. You can put it lower if you want. But wait, hold on. No, it's gonna be 0. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right. Now you're gonna export it. Oops. Gonna go to effects. You can put it wherever you want. Put your things. I'm gonna do tutorial. Okay. Boom. Alrighty. After importing it in your Blender, you want to grab the part. Okay, now you're gonna go to shading. Right. Okay. Now you're gonna put emission right here. Emission right here. Emission. You're gonna put a string. Now you see the light coming right up, right? Alright. About there. Put it there. Now that's done already. Now you want to add a camera, which you can do by pressing Ctrl A, Shift A, and camera. Boom. Now you want to enable it. Right. Now move around, fix it to your liking. Too far. That, now you're gonna render it. Wait for it to render. Oh wait, I forgot to give you the other step. You want to enable cycle, so it's gonna lag for me. I'm sorry about that. Okay, supported. Put experimental. Compute, right? You're gonna go to 1000. Alrighty, after you're done rendering your image, you wanna go back right here. Back. You wanna get out from this. You wanna go to compositing. I can't pronounce it. Now when I'm done rendering my image, you wanna press right here. It's on Vero Note. You wanna press render image. Yeah, boom. Now what you want to do is you want to add composites right here. Use nodes. You want to press use nodes here. Viewer node. You want to press it to render results like that. Control A, viewer node. Alright, then after adding your viewer node, you want to press shift and right click. Make this thing right here. It will make another like pluggy thing. Want to enable it right here. Boom. You see it. Ready. Now you want to add a layer. This is where the spicy things come through. Look, you see that? It's amazing. You got different types. You got bloom. Wow. You got different types right here. See that? You got these two. But yeah, you can change them like that. You also got these options right here, like ghosts. I don't like. This is not my favorite, honestly. It's up to you guys. You got high, you got low. You also got streaks, which is the first option. And we got fog glow, which is what we're gonna be using to make the glare really good. But yeah, you add this, now you see how it makes it really good. Here the image. That. Then in every render you make, and then you enable this, it's gonna like make the white stuff like clearer, you know? And you're gonna be able to see it and notice it really fast. So after that, you know, alright bro, I was in the middle of editing, bro. Don't judge me by the software I use to edit, you know, CapCut. Maybe isolate. I was gonna do this, but it's not the way you do it. So the way you want to save your item when it's like this, you actually want to do it from here and then save it from here. Because if you do it from like this side, it's just gonna print out like base, the block. So you wanna do it from here so you can have this surroundings. And that's pretty much it. And that's how you make your layer and shiny thingy-majiggy, whatever you render. Pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any trouble or problems. You know, I'll make sure to respond to your comments.